Today we would begin with the rule number 14 related to rules of correction. Uh, the rule uh, number 14, that is, verb or helping verb is used according to the antecedent of a relative pronoun. That when we are using a relative pronoun, uh, we do not need to use verb or helping verb according to the relative pronoun. Rather, we have to look at the antecedent or the proper or the actual subject or the actual pronoun there in the sentence, not looking at the relative pronoun. For example, in this sentence, it is he who are responsible. So here we see that are has been used according to who. That keeping in mind who, are has been placed here. But the rule says that that verb or helping verb is not used according to the relative pronoun. Rather, it is used according to the antecedent, means he. So the actual subject is he. While using verb or helping verb, we will not consider who. Rather, we will keep in mind he, that he is the real subject here. So that will be kept in mind while using verb or helping verb for this one. It is he who are responsible is the incorrect expression because are has been used according to who, whereas who has come for he. So the actual subject is he. Verb or helping verb will be used according to he. So that will be is. So it is he who are responsible is an incorrect expression, and it is he who is responsible is the correct expression, because here we find is, and is has been used according to he, and who has also come for he. So that is what we need, that we have to use is according to the subject he, not keeping in mind the pronoun, the relative pronoun who. It is he who are responsible is incorrect. It is he who is responsible is the correct expression. The same rule continues here of the use of the appropriate verb or helping verb. In this sentence too, we can see it is you who has come late. Has been highlighted in the red. It means that it has been wrongly used here in this sentence, because has been used according to who. That is a relative pronoun, and that relative pronoun has actually been used for you. While using a verb or helping verb, we have to keep in mind the antecedent of the relative pronoun or the actual subject of the sentence, because who has come for you, so you uh, needs here have instead of has. So that is what is required here in this sentence. It is you who has come late is incorrect. The correct sentence is it is you who have come late. So this has become true because have and you have, you has is incorrect and you have is the correct sentence. Who is misleading in this context, that looking at who the reader or the writer considers that it would take has, whereas we have to consider the antecedent of who, that is you. So you have is the correct expression. It is you who has come late is incorrect expression, whereas it is you who have come late is the correct expression. Similarly, it is I who is in the wrong. Is has been highlighted. Is used according to who, whereas who is the relative pronoun, and we do not use according to the relative pronoun. Rather, we would use it according to the antecedent, that is I. So with I is, if we say I is incorrect, what will we use with I? That is am. So that is what we have to keep in mind, that I is incorrect. I am is the correct expressions. Same thing happens here. It's I who is in the wrong is the incorrect sentence, whereas the correct sentence is it is I who am in the wrong. So this is what we need to keep in mind, that keep in mind the subject. Like in the above sentence, you has you can directly analyze it. That you has, is it appropriate? No, you have. Similarly, I is, no, I am. So that is what is required here in making the sentence correct. It is I who is in the wrong. Is has been wrongly used here. The appropriate word is am. It is I who am in the wrong is the correct expression for this sentence. Rule number 15. A definite article the is used before superlative degree. If the third degree, that is also called a superlative degree, is used in a sentence, it is mandatory to use the, which is called the definite article, before the third degree or the superlative degree of an adjective. This is the rule that we need to consider, and keep in mind that whenever superlative degree, the third degree of an adjective is used, the will always precede it. This is what you need to remember. She is tallest girl. In this sentence, tallest is the third degree, that is also called superlative degree, and this has already been pointed out that before the third degree of the adjective, the definite article the is used before it. So tallest without the is an incorrect expression. It should be preceded by definite article the. The correct sentence is she is the tallest girl. So tallest is preceded by the. That is the rule, that the must be placed before the third degree or the superlative degree of an adjective. Further examples in this context are he is best person I have ever met. Here best is the third degree of an adjective. What is required is to place the before the third degree, that is best. So best without third degree is an incorrect expression. This sentence is incorrect. How to correct it is to place the before the third degree of the adjective. The correct sentence for this is he is the best person I have ever met. So this is the correct expression that is being used with the superlative degree of an adjective. So best without the is incorrect. Best being the third degree with the is the correct expression. So he is best person I have ever met is incorrect, because best is not preceded by the, whereas he is the best person I have ever met is the correct expression, because it is followed by a definite article the. Similarly, they are most intelligent students of the class. Most is the third degree, like intelligent, more intelligent, and the most intelligent. So most is the third degree or the superlative degree of an adjective, and it should be preceded by the, whereas the has not been placed in this sentence. That's why most intelligent without the is incorrect. What is required is to put and place the before the third degree or the superlative degree of an adjective. So the correct sentences, they are the most intelligent students of the class, is the correct expression. Why? Because most has been preceded by the, that is the definite article, and as we have stated in the rule regarding this, that Da must be placed before the superlative degree or the third degree of an adjective. Hence, the sentence "they are the most intelligent students of the class" is correct because most intelligent is the superlative degree and it has been preceded by da. That is the requirement of the sentence. Hence, this sentence "they are the most intelligent students of the class" is the correct sentence. Coming to rule number 16. Definite article "the" is used for two comparative degrees. Using two comparative degrees in one sentence, the rule is to place definite article "the" before each degree. For example, faster you run, sooner you reach. In this sentence, we see that there are two comparative degrees. One is faster and the second is sooner. If we find two comparative degrees in the same sentence, it is uh, better to place "the" before them as a rule to make the sentence correct. Otherwise, it would remain incorrect. So, the first degree of faster is fast, the second is faster, and the third is fastest. Similarly, soon, sooner, soonest. So, here faster and sooner are two comparative degrees, and the rule is to place a definite article "the" before each. So the correct sentence is "the faster you run, the sooner you reach." In this sentence, both comparative degrees have been preceded by the definite article "the." This makes the sentence correct. It is the rule as to place the definite article "the" before each comparative degree. So the faster you run, the sooner you reach. This is the correct sentence according to the grammatical rules prescribed for these sentences and how to make them correct. Similarly, further examples can be seen here. Higher you go, cooler it is. Again, higher and cooler. These are two comparative degrees. Hence, both would be preceded by "the", and that would be the correct expression. So the correct expression of "higher you go, cooler it is "the higher you go, the cooler it is." Higher and cooler are the comparative degrees, and "the" has been placed before these two, thus making the sentence correct. The higher you go, the cooler it is the correct expression. Similarly, more you work hard, more marks you get. More is the second degree, and that has been placed. More you work hard, more marks you get. Uh, Two comparative degrees have been used here. So the correct expression is to place uh, the definite article "the" before them because this would make this sentence correct. So the correct sentence is "the more you work hard, the more marks you get." So this is the expression that is correct one. So the more you work hard, the more marks you get is the correct expression. This is all for today about this lecture about the correction of the rules. Uh, all the rules have been explained in detail with examples, with 3 examples for each rule. Still, if you face any problem in understanding these rules, you can contact us through the WhatsApp group uh, made for the discussion and putting your question there. So you are welcome to put your question there if you have any queries about this lecture. Thank you very much for joining us today.